Thank you. Nice shot. Oh! He's right down the bottom, isn't he? Yeah. Oh, right here, right here. Oh, sorry, Mark. I'll take it. I'll take it. Hey, nice shot, nice shot. I just got like 5 of them with a grenade. They're pushing round the fence to the left.
All right. Jesus Christ.
Oh! Nice one, dude. I rushed your corner when you died.
Yeah.
Basically just ran straight into Will.
Yeah, that was just...
Nice swing, dude. That was fucking smooth. Oh. Who's that? Gentle hands, that is. Get in the bus, boys. Bus wankers. You're pointing the wrong way, Mark. He's pointing that way. You point that way? Are they coming from that way? I'm fucking pointing this way. I'm like, Mark, you're pointing the wrong way. I'll point the other way then, Mark.
Point the other way, James.
Do we get behind this black one here? So if I watch there, if you get there, you can watch through the door. Oh, nice shot.
I'll take it.
No, you carry on, you carry on. Oh, you got me right in the biggest office.
I got scared.
Mate, you're fucking unreal. Why are you fucking running around like a gazelle? John Wick HC2 he is.
Right, so ICB with 3 barrels on top, he's right next to that.
Do you want me to suppress it if you want to move up? Hey! That way well. Push over to that small barricade. Right on the other side of that, to the right.
Something's up close, baby.
Yeah. Good. Push through that barricade if you can.
Mate, back.
Pass it back. I'll get it back. Yeah.
I'd like so much to get down.
I got the guy close. He's just hiding behind the window. Oh, oh, next building in the doorway is really low. Oh. He's dead.
James, make sure we're facing the right way this time.
Yeah.
Is he
Can I get in the bus?
I mean, if you want to squeeze past again.
Where are they starting up there? We doing the back of the cross?
I don't really know where to stand. You know, he's got a beam on us here. Got him. I think that was it then, I'll take that. Dead player! Out! At least I'm not the first one out this time. I'll call that a win. No way. Oh, I was about to say no way. I got him then. Oh, nice shot. Oh, sweet. Oh, I got shot out.
Wow. Ooh. Yeah, that's a sexy one, man.
I'm glad it's not a real one.
Oh, yeah. It's alright, we all know.
That's the first time it's ever happened to me. But I tell you what though, I reckon it saved my nose. In the bus, in the bus! In the bus! Right dead centre in the bus. In the bus, in the bus. Mark's in the bus, yellow's in the bus. Hello. Nice shot. Yellow, yeah?
Yeah. Did he like?
Oh. No, they're all stuck down there. Further down.
Hey, you have empty mag?
Huh?
Empty mag you probably have.
Empty mag?
Yeah, I don't see any balls.
You want a mag?
No, just have a look. Because I don't see balls.
You want a mag?
No. I was thinking you.
No, I'm not empty, no. Just sounds different. I can't get a line on him from this angle. You see him behind the tyres. Hey! Hi-ya! Oh, thanks. Oh! I told you, man, these peaks, you got like 7 windows to get shot off.
I think your mag's empty as well, mate.
No, it's not. Was you listening to it? He was saying something to me. I was like, what are you saying? He was like, Max. I was like, no, they're not empty. It's just loud. I'm like beaming round that.
You go, it's not empty. It just sounds a bit different.
Last building, Mark. Last building on the left. I think there's one in this building as well. I knew you were somewhere. I knew he was in there somewhere. Fucking Will was hiding behind here. Go on, move in. Get low. How do we push through here, boys? Where's the cover? Not there. Oh shit, I thought he was...
Keep pushing, guys. I've got no respawns. Keep going.
Easy for you to say. There's one on the right here somewhere. Do you want to get a grenade in there, Mark? There's one far left as well, Mark, right in the back corner. That was a hobble, wasn't it? That was like you really needed to take a shit. There's someone in that window. We got them all. Check that back room. Well played. Fuck. They cleared that. No, they haven't. He was sat in that f***ing Mikey's wet room. Somehow. Missed all the people that were in front of me, and all the rounds just f***ing found me.
It's when he's turning his head, but the gun's in the same place. I got all of you.
If he got a camera, it looked great, because I flinched like a bitch.
Over there.
Come on, we need to blow this shit up, mate.
Yeah, we just gotta be careful.
Seconds remaining, 60 seconds remaining.
Oh, hit! Ow! Oh, that was nasty. 10 rounds in the face. Ooh. You got me a good one there, mate.
Did I?
I did. I looked. I come out. I looked. I just saw your fucking head. I was like, but thank you, because when that happens and I put my hand out, my hand gets lit up.
Yeah,
so he was like,
I saw it. I was like,
mostly today, as soon as I call the hit, I get shot like 6 times more. You was looking for revenge, weren't you?
because you got me good as well.
I said to Mark, I said, I'm sure someone's in this room. I keep hearing something.
I heard you talking. I was like, please don't, please don't, please don't.
He was watching me and I had the grenade man. I was like, what do I do? What do I do? I was like, fuck.
Yeah, he full on got me.